A squeegee or a squilgee is a tool with a flat, smooth rubber blade used to remove or control the flow of liquid on a flat surface. It is used for cleaning and in printing. The earliest written references to squeegees date from the mid 18th century and concern deck cleaning tools, some with leather rather than rubber blades. The name squeegee may come from the word squeege, meaning press or squeege, which was first recorded in 1783. The closely related squeedging was reproductively first used in 1782 in the Covent Garden Theatre during the performing of the comedy Which is the Man by Hannah Cowley. And you can see how it works. And it works really proper, as you can see. If there's a lot of dirt and it's so liquid, so you can clean fast. Surfaces like a flat bottom, as you can see, easy peasy by using a squeegee. Really nice, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Squeegee beegee. Sun sun. That's really cool.